Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're looking at what we confidently call the best sunflower wall decals you can get right now. The Outus 53 PC's Sunflower Daisy Wall Decals with butterfly stickers. Let's dive into what makes this product such a great decorative choice for any room. First off, this decal set comes packed with 53 pieces in total. That includes 45 sunflower wall decals in a mix of sizes and designs, and 8 butterfly stickers to round it out. Each design is vibrant, charming, and gives you the freedom to create your own unique mural on any flat surface, be it a wall, mirror, window, or even furniture. The theme combines the warmth and brightness of sunflowers with the vitality and grace of butterflies, turning any dull space into a lively and refreshing corner. The decals are made from high-quality self-adhesive PVC material. That means they're waterproof, oil-proof, and built to last. Whether you're decorating a bathroom where moisture is a factor or a kitchen wall that needs to be cleaned often, these stickers are made to hold up. And if you ever need to move or remove them, they peel off easily without leaving any sticky residue or damaging the surface. This makes them especially renter-friendly. One of the best parts is how easy they're to apply. Every sticker in the pack is pre-cut. That means there's no need for scissors or trimming, just peel and stick. It's the perfect weekend DIY project that requires no special tools or skills. Kids can even get involved in the decorating process, making it a fun family activity. Visually, the combination of yellow sunflowers and floating butterflies instantly adds warmth, positivity, and joy to a space. Sunflowers symbolize sunshine and integrity, while butterflies represent transformation and vitality. The combination creates a subtle emotional lift, perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or any area you want to bring a little more life into. These decals also make for a thoughtful and creative gift. If you're searching for something heartfelt yet practical for Mother's Day, Valentine's, Christmas, or even a housewarming party, this set is a wonderful option. It's meaningful, easy to use, and guaranteed to put a smile on someone's face when they see the cheerful artwork on their walls. The dimensions of the packaging are compact, roughly 1.57 by 0.79 by 2.75 inches, but don't let that fool you. Once unpacked, you'll find enough decal variety to cover a sizable wall area. You can arrange them in patterns, clusters, or even spread them across different rooms. The irregular shapes of each sticker also add to the natural, freeform look that mimics real flowers in a garden. So to wrap it all up, if you're looking for a beautiful, affordable, and easy-to-use wall decoration that brings brightness and charm into your home, the Outus 53 PC's Sunflower Daisy Wall Decals with butterfly stickers is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what room you'd use these decals in. See you in the next review.